friends on YouTube, Clarissa here. I am back with another video. I hope you're doing good and enjoying the new weather. It's sunny and beautiful, and preparing yourselves for summer, preparing your bodies for the bikini, and working out and staying younger than your natural age. And I want to send my hug of gratitude, hugs and kisses for all the beautiful comments, and thank you so much. And this video is going to be about 1 minute collagen lift anti-wrinkle complex. It is a unique product that I found. It caught my attention because of the formula. And this is it, a Dermasilk 1 minute collagen complex. And I am very surprised of all the ingredients that this formula have. They're active ingredients, and this is the company name, Dermasilk 1 minute collagen lift anti-wrinkle complex. This is 1 ounce, and very surprised. It really gives the performance. You will see in few weeks your skin texture and the wrinkles will be less visible, and due to the peptide content, I am surprised it has 4 types of peptides. As I had talked in other videos, the peptides helps to send signals to the cells, the skin cells, to behave younger and produce collagen, stimulate collagen. As you know, collagen is a component that is very abundant in our body, and collagen holds the skin together. And also collagen degradation spins out of control, and which contributes for the skin to become weak, wrinkled and sagged. And collagen is a fiber that works together with elastin and keratin fiber. Collagen and elastin keratin fibers are protein fibers, and so that's why it's very important that you maintain your diet with a good formula, pre-digested protein powder. And so now the collagen, in order to survive the elastin and keratin fibers, we also have to maintain our natural hyaluronic acid that the body has, our natural lipids. You know, those fibers, those protein fibers, depend on a healthy levels of hyaluronic acid in our body, and the healthy levels of lipids to help stimulate your own lipids, your own ceramides. And so the formula has, like I mentioned, active ingredients, which I am very impressed. It has the hyaluronic acid, it has a palmitoyl oligopeptide, palmitoyl terapeptide, and it has hydrolyzed soy protein and hydrolyzed silk. I love when products are formulated with hydrolyzed silk because the amino acids from the silk are really absorbable into the skin, changing the texture of the skin and helping to reverse the aging process. Formula has riboflavin, which is a vitamin B complex, has algae extract. I had talked about algae extract that is very good to maintain the elasticity of the skin. Algae extract is one of my favorite ingredients, and has 2 other peptides and has hydrolyzed wheat protein. So this formula is, like I said, really impressive. And I had noticed, you know, the changes on my skin, and I was starting to get a little line here and it had softened, and so I thought I should share this product. And let me see if there is a website. It is www.dermasilkbrands.com. And the product again is called 1 Minute Collagen Lift Anti-Aging Complex. Fills and plumps up for instant wrinkle smoothing effect. Time Beauty Solutions Refirms Contours, restores facial volume. Wrinkle reverse technology designed to optically reduce the appearance of visible wrinkles. So girls, you need to go and find this product. Very, very good. The performance, I am impressed. I'm gonna say again, I am impressed. I purchased this product myself, and I just wanted to share the benefits of this wonderful formula. And hopefully you like this video, my friends. And I am here to share my knowledge, products that I use, and you stay beautiful.